Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Look like something dead down here, so. Whole heap of junk crow. I don't smell nothing yet still, but whole heap of junk crow down here. Lot of junk crow. Jamaican junk crow. What if a good luck?
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel, Yard Style Fishing Adventure. Now this morning me out here and I'm really excited. The water just nice and flat, people. Look at it. Yeah man, it's been a while. Work have me busy. And I finally get a morning when I can run, come jump in the water. See if I can find a fish or two to make a nice little video. Alright, so guys, me go get me already suit up. So I'm going to wash out my mask and thing, jump in the water, see what I can find, alright? Hope you're as excited as I am to see what I catch today, alright? Yeah man, stay tuned guys.
We're in the water right now. As you can see, the visibility is not 100%. It is murky. Right here I made my first dive. I saw a fish. It was far away from me. It was out of range, so I didn't take the shot. Now here I got a mackerel on the spear. It was passing by really fast, so I didn't get a chance to turn the camera on. But I managed to get a good shot at it. And I have this one to take home. Yep, so this is a nice little Spanish mackerel. Alright. Now here I saw a surgeon fish, so I had to release one of my rubber and put the other one on the rest itch. Took a lovely shot. I got that one as well. Doing some random dives, searching to see if I could find any sizable fish that I would love to take home. Didn't see a fish here, just wanted to do a dive here to cover some depth because I haven't done any deep dive since I've got in the water. Here I got another lovely surgeon fish. It's a very nice one. I didn't catch the clip when I shoot the fish, but I have this one to take home with me as well. Now here I was on a deep dive. When I got down there I saw a jack. I took a shot, missed, my shaft got stuck down there. I was heading up. I had to relax, go back down to pull my gun from the rope, and was heading back to the top. Now as a diver, most of the time when anxiety chip in, you got to relax just a little bit. If you try to move too fast or get too anxious, then that can cause some trouble. Alright, so relaxation is the key most of the time. Now here I made this dive. Decided on checking this little cave out, see if I can find anything big inside there. Beautiful colors down here. Nothing was inside this cave, so heading back to the top. No, that's a small turtle in the distance there, swimming away. Went behind the rock. There it is right there.
Alright now people, so out of the water right now and thing. Never really so bad. The visibility, even though the water looks so nice and calm and flat, the visibility never really 100%. That gonna look nice on the camera, I can tell you, but when you get in there in person, you will actually see the real visibility of the water. But we managed to find a few fish this morning. So right now, almost 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock now, I'm reach at work 3 o'clock. So just I'm gonna show you what I catch. I'm gonna rush home, get ready and go at work, and then tomorrow now, if I not work tomorrow, I do a cook up and things, see? So this is how I catch today, people. Yeah man, so I catch some lionfish here, so catch about 5 of them or 4 of them, yeah. And I have one little mackerel. So the first fish when I catch one little mackerel right there, so 2 nice parrotfish. It's been a while since I catch like 2 parrotfish, but 2 of them weigh about a pound. I have 2 nice doctor fish, and my favorite fish, one of my favorite fish to eat, file fish. So them you know say a file paper style, I get them there, you know. Alright, so this are the catch of the day, peeps. Alright my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope all is well. Now today, I'm there in my side yard today. Normally I'm there in the backyard, but when I'm there around there, a lot of copyright music I play and things. So we bring my little grill round on the side yard. I'm going to grill up some fish right now. So stay tuned for some action, alright? Yeah man. Alright now peeps, so see me have my prepping board. That's already on my file paper with my knife. So my grill over here so ready and waiting, alright? So now we get the first one seasoned up and thing, and then show you what I go on. Alright now guys, so the first thing you do, get your file paper on the board, right? File paper on the board, you're going to put your fish on it. Alright, so put the fish that way, yeah, you put your fish on your file paper, see there. Alright, so I'm going to get some seasoning on it here now. But remember that seasoning when we did use on the tuna. Yeah man, it was good, so I eat again, you know. Yeah man, so get some on it here now. And then place here. Nice. Also I go put some in my belly, alright. Guys, so the seasoning on it already, right? So now me I go add some natural seasoning to it. This right here now tomato, scallion and thyme and pepper. Yeah, color looking good right there. So yeah, that look good there, so peeps. Next, me I go add some butter to it. First, me should add some butter to the file paper as well, so it no stick. So I go do that for the next one. Alright, so butter time. Yeah, so butter. Add my butter to it right now. Now this I go nice, you know, people. Yeah man, see it there. Well, nice. And me alone there here, people, me not have nobody for really hold the camera for me. And I don't have a tripod, so I will put some butter underneath it on the file paper so it no stick. And then we get back to you, alright? Yeah. You know peeps, see it there? Ready for wrap you now, you know. Yeah man, it's ready for wrap you now. So I go wrap it up right you now. Put it on the grill. Yeah. So we wrap it here now. Get the two ends together. Hold it like that. Alright peeps, so see we wrap it there. We wrap that side there, we wrap that side there. Side I leave open. Reason why I leave that side open right now, I have some coconut milk. I gotta just throw some coconut milk down inside there, alright? Yeah man. So yeah peeps, see the first one here. Well wrapped and ready to go up on the grill. So to get him on the grill and now. Yeah. So put that one to the far side. Just like that. Nice and neat. See it there? So I'm gonna get some more wrap up now peeps and get them on the grill. See? Yeah. Yeah peeps, so that crawfish they look nice. Yeah man, we wrap them up now. Put them on the grill. Yeah. Alright now peeps, so it's a very small grill, so
I put just 3 of them on it at a time. Them wanna go and steam, right? Yeah. So you wrap the file so the file no burst, so it no lose the steam, and steam I go cook it, right? Now we also have a small bottle of water, so when the file swell, we just squeeze some water on it and it go right back down. I'm gonna show you in a while when the steam build up inside of it. I'm gonna just squeeze some water on it and make you see how it go down. See, it come up there right now. So watch this. So when I do, I get a small bottle, any buckle. So I use one oil buckle, water in it. Use my knife and bore the top of it, where the water can come out. See the file swell now, so I go squeeze the water upon it and watch what go on. And go right back down so the file end up no burst. Yeah. So yes people, the cooking in process right now. I'm gonna do right now, I get some butter on the file paper because you know want the fish to stick. So some butter on it right there. And rub it up. And here we are going to put the fish. Alright, so butter it on the file paper. Next you get your fish. Put them closer to one at the end of the file paper. Then you're going to get your seasoning here now. I put on your fish. And sure you put some inside of the fish belly. So you know in there so all of the flavor will go in on the meat, right? A little bit more. Yeah. Then I have some natural seasoning, some tomato, some scallion, and some thyme and pepper. You just put over that. Put a little inside of it as well. Yeah. And that's how it look like this, so. Then we are going to wrap it now, peeps. So the reason why you put it closer to one end because you want to fold over that end there without the paper burst. Alright, so fold it even the two ends. And then leave the wrap like that. And leave one or two. Ensure say it no leak. One, leave another one. Then same thing with the ends. And make a broader fold right there so then you can fold it smaller as you go along. Bam. So I leave one end open like this. So I'm going to pour some coconut milk in that now. So I have already another cup here. So not too much, just a little. And then you just lock up the next end. And while you fold, you just press down on the end so it's sealed. Perfect packet. Ready to go up on the grill. Yeah. Alright now people, so that one here, the first one we are testing. I take off two of them already, so we are test that one here. See how it look. You can see the whole of the gravy in it same way. Because the file is well wrapped and thing. Don't want it run out. So take time and see what I go on. Hold up there. Look at that. Well nice people. Yeah man. Well ready. Get all the gravy and everything in it same way. So yeah. Get to the rest of them now. Right now, so I do this a mackerel people, and small mackerel I did catch. Never ever roast one of them yet, so I'm gonna try with that one. Wild paper, fish on it, some butter, you know. keep the foil sliding, you know. Yeah. Some seasoning. But the bad seasoning I'm going to put on the tuna. Some still left, so I'm going to finish it up today. Some on the inside. Well. Yeah. Some of that on top. Don't know that already. Then we have to wrap it up. Always keep it closer to one end of the file. So you have enough space to fold it. Leave the two end them like that. Sometimes you can even hold it like that and even the end. Then give it a fold. Press and seal it. Like 2 or 3 folds just to be safe. Put them on now. Back to this again. And use the next one as well. I have to leave some space in the foil for the steam build up and cook the fish. Lock up one at the end. Remember, fold and press to get a seal. Pour some coconut milk in it right now. I don't want to put too much in there, you know. Yeah. Then I close it up. Good thing it's anytime. Yeah. Hold it and leave some space. Yeah, another nice pocket ready to go up on the grill. Alright now people, so we are going on the final lap. And we are set up. Yeah, those them last 3 are up on the grill. Final lap. And then over here, so now we have them one finish already. So soon get to the part of the day where I like, you know. Alright now people, so night come down and thing. Fish them done roast. So you don't know. I go bust them 2 file here. And then I go get in it, you know people. So here we go on now. Cut it down the center with the fork. Cut it away here too. This is mackerel people. I think I choose the right one. I know that this is skin fish already because I done pick out that one there. So that's the mackerel right there people. Looking very nice. Looking delicious. Wow. Can't wait for dive into that, man. Meat nice and tender. Yeah, man. Yeah, so that is mackerel people. So next, skin fish. Bore a hole in it. Cut it down the middle. Yeah, me say skin fish, but actually the file fish, these people. Yeah, but we call it skin fish here in a Jamaican thing. Look at all the gravy. So you see when you wrap the file nice and make it burst while it a cook. This are the end product. This are the result where you get, you know. A lot of gravy to eat your fish. And the strong part of the fish that them say, you know. Yeah, so see what go on now people. Can't beat this, you know. Right now, Right now for me, this I say 1. I don't know how much it has say for you, but I want this for me, you know. Just gonna mash up this here now. Probably drop 2 slices of bread on it. I don't know how my dinner that scene. Yeah. Never did I go too hard because I don't know I'm coming in from work in the evening and say alright, I just go do the cook up and finish up that video, yeah. I don't know if I forget posts tomorrow, so that I go on pan what I go on, people. That's going to eat it up. So I'm going to try the skin fish first. 5 fish, I should say. We Jamaicans we call it skin fish, see? So I'm going to try a piece of that first. Don't know. Yeah, you know. Nice white meat and thing. So, yeah. Well bad. Yeah, man. Try a piece of the mackerel now. I never do a mackerel in other style yet, so I try it and see what I want. See the mackerel. Yeah. Get some of the gravy from it here now. Nice. The meat, mackerel meat, it more milder than the rest of other fish we would do that style with. It's a bit more mild, you know. Nice. Getting a piece of bread, you know. Bread and gravy. Babes, I third round me the pan now, you know. Going it again, you know. One more I file fish them again. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so now go another one again. Now get some of the meat for them and then put them on that piece, yeah. Spice, nice. Peeps, it's a good look, you know. So I'm gonna end the video right there. So now if you make it this far in the video, hit the thumbs up button if you don't hit the thumbs up button yet. Share this video, share the channel, help us to grow. Alright, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and see you on the next epic adventure from Yard Style Fishing. Alright? Yeah man, peace out.